I am here to share with you guys all of the items that I got from Nykaa in the Valentine's Day sale. Oh my god, I shopped a lot and I hogged up a lot on, you know, lot of brands. Yes, and I have shopped items worth easily 40,000. Yes, so I'm here to share with you guys and all of these items. Remember that I think the last time that I shopped on Nykaa was last year June, and I'm shopping after a very long time. Like I wanted all these products, and yeah, so I'm here to share with you guys. So let's quickly get into the video. Yes, I have all of the items here right here. So I'm gonna unbox with you. Yes, so stay tuned. So I picked up this small one, and let's unbox. Yes, so I have my scissors right here. So I'm excited to see all of the items. So I got everything I think within 2-3 days. Yes, it was very quick. Yes, it didn't take me much time. Yes, so let's see. Yeah, what all I have. Yes, so all of the product links will be in the description. So do check out. Yes, so let's see what is the first item that I have. Yes, so everything is going to be messed right here. But yeah, so let's get started. Yes. So the first item that I have in this box, so there is only one product, yes, and it is empty, yes, yeah, it's empty, yes. So the first product, I have to clean all of this. I think I give these boxes and all for recycling, yes. So the first item that I have is, oh, so I have an item from K Beauty, yes. So my highlighter broke. Let me just show you guys. So yes, I am a huge K Beauty person. Yes, so I love K Beauty products. I absolutely love them. Yes, so my highlighter broke the other day. I'll just show you the situation of this. And I think it has been, like this. I'm using like this from the past 3 months. Because it does its job, and always, even if it's broken. So I dropped it, and even if it's broken, it is doing its purpose. Yes, so I've used it today. I am a huge, like, I love Katrina's makeup line so much. I love their blush. I love their highlighter. I love the blush, the foundation. Yes, so I got another highlighter. Yes, I would highly suggest. In fact, I think after I said, I influenced my friends and all of them love the K Beauty products. So yes, I think Katrina did amazing. So this is in the shade. This is in the shade Sunlit Gold. Yes. So I'm gonna show you the shade. Yes. So it is little bit. I went for the gold shade. That is a rose gold one. So I am going to still use it. Yes, there is still time on that. It's not yet expired. So yes, so whenever you use these products, I always keep the protector back, and it also comes with a mirror. Like, it does its job. It's very zoomed. So there are many times I quickly do the touch up just seeing this mirror. So I think she did amazing, and it's very sleek. Yes, takes very little space. Yes, so I always throw up this, but I always throw up this extra cover. Like, I just throw up and I keep that one. I just ensure whenever I keep throw away the packaging, I ensure that there is expiry date on this. So there is expiry date, so it expires in 2025. Long way to go. I think I'm going to use up till then. So there was a phase of me that I used to use highlighter like crazy, and now I use it medium. Yes, so yeah, I'm in that phase. So this is the first product. I'm going to keep carefully keep them on my bed right here. Yes. So the next item that I have is, I have another packaging right here. So whenever I remove these boxes, I always ensure that I tear my address and all of my information. I think this is something that I've learned from my mother. So I just tear up the address. Yeah. So my information that is on the box. So let's open this. Yes. Very excited, and I really love to watch these unbox with me videos on YouTube. Like, I just love them. Yes, so let's see what do we have in this. Yes, yeah, so let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, there is a lot of tape. Yes, but I'm in for it. Yes, so I love to watch these YouTube what do we say, unbox with me videos. I really like to watch um, you know, there are a couple of favorites that I really love to watch. Like I love the PR unboxing that all of the celebs do, and I've done so many on my channel itself as well. So yeah, so yes, so I'm gonna open. So these are the products right there. Yes, so I'm gonna open one by one and share it with you guys. And I think that Nykaa as a brand has reduced a lot on bubble wrap, and they have come up with a lot of recycle options, which is very nice. Yes, very friendly for the environment. Yes. So we have another K Beauty product here. Yes. So let's see. So it just came out like that. Yeah. So we have another, like I was running short of blush. Let me just show you. So yes, I have used it up so much, so much, so much. Like I love this blush. So you know that when you hit a dent on a product, it shows of how much you have used. So I've used it also today. Yes. So this is the one. So this is K Beauty in the shade Coral Charm. So I've used this a lot. I also have another blush. Wait, let me just show you. So that's also by K Beauty. So this is another one. I really love this sleek packaging. Like it fits like a bomb in all of my makeup products, like when I'm traveling and all of that. Yeah, I travel like crazy. So yes, so this is another one. I use this a little bit less because it's a little bit darker, but I always go for, I like a peach or a coral. I feel like my skin tone, which is yellow family, I'm gold aura. Yes, so it works like bomb. And this is tickled pink, so I use this a little bit less. So it's always like, this is in my travel, and this is here in my Hyderabad, in my home. Yes. So this is another one that I got. I love K Beauty blushes. They are bomb. So this is a shade called Coral Charm. Yes. So I think I just went for the same one because I didn't want to experiment a lot. So yes. So I have a fresh stock ready. So yes. So just go for this. If you want a recommendation, just go for this. It is bomb. It is so nice. It makes your skin look healthy, and I'm wearing it today. Oh my god, it looks bomb. Yes, so just go for it. Yes, so you have long way to go. So what I'm gonna do is keep this here. So I'm still gonna finish up like a 1-2 months. I'm gonna finish up that and then just go for this. So as I'm making this video, I'm also going to arrange it. So yes, so this is here. And I'm also going to put my highlighter. I think I'm just going to finish it. I have a lot of shoots upcoming. So I'm going to finish it and then go for, this ones. So I like to keep them in that packaging itself so that, I know that it is a fresh piece. Yes. A tip for you guys. Yes. So yeah. So let's see what's the next product. So I shopped a couple of hair products that I needed desperately. So there is this. Let me see, what is this? Yeah. So this is easy for me. I did not even touch something. So I really love Saint Botanica conditioners. So I am a L'Oreal Paris person. Like I use a lot of L'Oreal Paris because I have very thick and long hair. So it's very important for me to take care of my hair. So always everybody asks me, hair tips and what all I like what I use and all of that. So I really love Saint Botanica conditioners. So there was another one that was in my washroom and it expired, like this month was the expiry date. So I wanted a couple of conditioners. I also used the one by L'Oreal Paris, their hair conditioner, which has avocado and all of that. But Saint Botanica has nailed their conditioner formula. So if you're from India, I would really suggest you to go for Saint Botanica conditioners. Yes, so this has biotin and collagen. So the one that I use, it's a tube format and it has amazing smell because it has macadamia. And yeah, so yes, so just go for this. So yeah, it comes in pump format. So obviously I cannot travel with this, but I can, use it here in my Hyderabad home. So yes, so another hair product. Yes, so I'm going to keep it right here. So those are the two products that I have in this box. Yes. So I use these boxes if I want to send any parcels to somebody. I just use these because these are very nice. Like why not reuse, what do you have? Yes. So I like these boxes very much. Yes. So let me see if I can courier something to somebody. Yes, I'm going to use it. Yes, so I'm going to open another packaging. Yes. Yes, as usual, just tear up this. So I always like to tear up the, name and all of that. Yes. So let me see where it is. So this box is a little damaged. So So I think I'm gonna keep this box and discard this box. Yes. So I'm gonna open this. Yes. This box is really challenging to open, let me be honest. Yes. So because I feel like during the transit it has squished down a little bit. So cutting down the tape is a little bit challenging, but I'm almost there. Yes, I'm opening it. Yes. So let's see. Finally. So let's see what items we have. Yes. So yeah, the next item that I have is okay, so I have couple more blushes. I'm a huge blush person, so I want to keep different blushes in my different bags. I can just the one that I have here, like in my vanity right here, and one that I can carry around, and one which is in my travel, so that I don't have to that blush, kajal, and eyeliner, and all of these you use like very much, like it's there, it's a staple item in your makeup. And I feel that it's amazing to have extras. Just keep a different one, but you have that favorite, right, which you always resonate and go back to. But I am somebody that I want to experiment different things, so I got a couple more blushes. So this is by Swiss Beauty. So Swiss Beauty is another brand. Especially today I'm wearing the eyeliner by Swiss Beauty. So it has a very good, like, if for example I use a lot of shimmer eyeshadows, so Swiss Beauty eyeliner applies very good. Yes. So I have this. So this is Just Rose. So I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah. So this is Just Rose. Oh my god, this packaging is really, really, really nice. Like it gives that luxe vibe. Yes. So this is one. So this is again a very muted pink. It's not pink as in a Barbie pink, but it's a very muted pink, and I love this shade. I think it pigment is very nice. I don't want to dig in right now, but this is the one. Yes. It is the shade is Just Rose. Very nice. Shade number 4. So as I said, I'm gonna keep these a little bit for some more time. I'm gonna start up a little bit 2 months later after I complete all of those products. Yes, so this is it's all the way till 2027, so I have very good time. So I'm gonna keep it right here in my vanity. So as I am shooting, I'm also organizing, so that I also I have this blush by Charlotte Tilbury. I've purchased it with so much money. I really love the packaging. Obviously it's so beautiful. It gives you that luxe vibe and all of that, but there is hardly any pigment. I'm like, where is the pigment? So I am just using this as a highlighter. There is no pigment. Another like buy which I did not like at all. Another one that I am very sad about is this one. It's a Benefit Happy Hello Soft Curve Foundation. I didn't feel like this is for Indian skin tone. Another buy that I'm just using up since I have. So this is the one, and this is it's expiring next month. So I'm gonna keep it in the front and quickly use up how much I can, and I'm just gonna keep it as a showpiece. Yeah. Yeah. So some of the buys, I think Indian brands are very good for your Indian skin tone. That is what I've understood. Like your local brands like K Beauty, your local brand like Swiss Beauty. Then you have another brand called Mars, which is very nice. So I wanted to go a little bit like shade range. For example, I wanted to go for pinky in this, and a little bit of coral in this, like a peachy color in this. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you this one. So I also have another one in Mars. I'm gonna show you guys. So yes, so this is another one that I have. Do I love it? No. But does it do its job? Yes. Yes. So this is the one. I really love the packaging. Like I like these acrylic ones. Yes. So this is Flush of Love. Yes. And it's a long way. It expires in 2027. So always, whenever I use any product, I quickly just check the expiry date. So when you have this, like on back of this packaging, so when I make my brand, I'll ensure that I also keep like this, so that you can just discard this box. It takes up too much space. So there is a difference. You can see you can mix and match both. Yes, you can apply a little of everything. And this is again, the shade name is BP03. Obviously, I don't know the shade name of this because I threw away the box, and it's a long way to go. It expires in 2028. It comes with a 5 years, so I have long way. So I have good blushes. Yes, so I'm gonna keep this again in the, in my vanity. Yes, and this is there in my travel kit. Yes. So yes, that's about it. Let's check what else do we have. So I also, you will see a mix of products which I really really needed. Like I was running a little bit short on my blushes. Yes. So, and during these sales, it's the best time. Another thing that I was running short was my mascaras. Obviously, so I'm gonna show you guys what new mascara I have. There is only one brand mascara that I have right now. So you know that mascara is something that you need to keep updating. Yes, so I have this one by Inside again. So that's my new mascara. Again, my mascaras have all outdated, gone. Yes, done. So mascara is something that you need to be very very careful about. And these are like, they do their job. So if you apply like 2-3 coats of this mascara, it does, like, it gives that false lashes effect. Yes. So this is Inside mascara. You have waterproof. Yeah. And this is last lash extension mascara. Yes. So I'm gonna do a video wherein I really love like some of the drugstore mascaras that I really love. So this is one other one. So as I am making this video, I'm also going to organize. Yes, so I have another palette. So this was in the home page of Nykaa, and I was just attracted to it. Yes, I was really really attracted to it. Yes, the packaging is bomb. It gives me like a Cadbury feeling. So let's see what do we have. So yes, I am a huge palette person. Like I do a lot of eye makeup, and you will see a less lipsticks. Yes, and many of the products are something that I got in PR, and you will see less, lipsticks in my collection, but it's quite a lot for others. But I feel like other influencers have a lot, but you will see a lot of palettes in my collection. So I was very attracted to this one. So yes, and it's very sleek as well, so I can carry it around. Yes. So this is Gulabi Aankhein, and I love the the font and all the adjectives on this. Yes, eyes can kill, mass, must ho, pretty, get me makeup. It has all of those. Like it gives that Indian touch, like a Bollywood vibe. Yes, love the packaging. The chocolate and the gold. It gives like a chocolate vibe, a Dairy Milk dark chocolate vibes. So I really love this color palette. The color shade, it gives me like a Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, which I already have. Like I have the volume 1, volume 2, and I also have the first one, which is one of my favorites. I really love them. So I'm going to show you guys. Yes, this one. I always keep, these packaging, I always keep it back like that. Yes, I'm a little bit, well maintained in that, like, because I understand of how much hard work I have purchased it. So what is on the box is same on the palette. Yes. So let's see. Yes. So what do we have? So I was very attracted to this color palette. Just look at it. I was very very attracted to this color palette. Like I loved it. I was very 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 attracted to this color palette. Like little bit black broke. I think I dropped it right now, so that may be the issue. Little bit black broke. I feel like it's my mistake after dropping this, but I think everything is fine. It's beautiful. Yeah, I love the color story. Oh my god, I love the color story. There is every shade, every color. Little bit black, little bit had a crack, but I fixed it. Yes. So it's very beautiful. Luckily, it didn't spread to the other colors. Yes. So it shows how pigmented it is. And I think, when I was opening this box, it was very damaged. Yes. So yeah. So, luckily, touch wood, all of the colors are fine. Yes. You can see all of the shimmers in the middle. Yes. All of the shimmers are right here. I'm a huge shimmer person. So I apply a shade and I go for a shimmer. Like I love glitter, loose glitter as well. Today I'm applying the one by My Glam. Like I love the loose glitter as well. Yes, so it's very 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 nice. Yeah, so something that I got in sale, and it was very nice. Luckily I could fix the black. Yeah, it didn't do any damage. See, I think black shadow is always a little bit scary. Yes, so black is very very pigmented, and it can obviously it can spread up to everything, and the mirror is quite decent as well. Like it's very 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 huge, and does the job. And even the palette is very very lightweight. It's easy to carry. Yes. Yeah. but I would carry this in my carry bag. I would not put this in the check-in luggage. I would carry this, yeah, because it is very delicate little bit. So I would carry this in my handbag, yeah. Very nice. I love it. Yes, put it back in this itself. This is how I use. So when I even do my makeup, I ensure that I keep these. Yeah, I like it in this itself. So I always keep the packaging intact. So when I'm traveling, I can just carry it like this. I don't need this box. But if I'm carrying it in my cabin baggage, I think it's absolutely fine. So I think this is a palette, like you have all of the colors. I'm also going to show one more palette that I have from, Swiss Beauty. It just goes in. Yes. Yes, so finally got it in. So I'm gonna experiment with all of these colors. Yes, so I'm gonna take this. Yes, in my next travel. Yes, ice can kill. Yes. So yeah, so I'm gonna quickly. I think I'm gonna just put it in my vanity. Yes. So speaking about new palettes, so I also got this one from Sephora. So I got this from Sephora, and I do not have anything in this. So it is from Cara Cosmetics. I do not have anything in this shade range. So I'm gonna just show you guys. Oh my god, it has all of the shimmers, so I haven't used it. Yes, I bought it recently. Yes, I haven't got a chance to use it. So I do not have anything in this color palette. Yes, it has all neutrals, blues, greens. Yes, all of your, like, you can use this even, to, conceal your eyes. Yes, before you start with an eyeshadow. This is something that I didn't have anything like, the Cara Cosmetics. So I'm going to make a dedicated video for this to see how it is. Yes. Yeah, so I'm gonna very shortly, I always like to keep this the plastic coverage so that it protects the eyeshadows. So this is another new buy that I got from Sephora. Yes, yeah, which I really love. Yes, so let's see what else we have. Yes, yes, so I just quickly as I am shooting, also packing up. Yes, also yes, so it's quickly in my vanity. Yes, I put it in my vanity. Yes, so where I have the long palettes. So I'm gonna discard this because it's really damaged. Yes. Now coming to the interesting aspect. So whenever you get this, Nykaa Luxe, you know that it's very, like, it is very expensive, and it is a limited edition which is only on Nykaa. Some of the brands. So I'm very excited to open this. Yes. So let me do it in front of the camera. Yes, so I love, when I get this, I just, my heart pops. Yeah. Okay, so what do we have in the Nykaa Luxe? I already know what we have there, but yes, so let me reveal it to you guys. Okay, just look at the packaging. Oh my god, I love it. Yes, these are very nice as decorative items. Oh my god, they are very good. So let's see what you have. So there was no sellotape. I love the packaging. Yes. So this is Nykaa Luxe, the luxury store here. There you look luxe. Yes. So one thing that I really love, because I worked as an influencer with Nykaa and I'm still doing. I've done a couple of campaigns for them. I've done a lot of campaigns actually. In the past 4 years, I would say. I love the quality. I know it is authentic. I think for authenticity, I give a A+ for Nykaa. And yeah, so let's see what do we have. So this is my most favorite perfume. Like, I also love the YSL Black Opium, but I had to get this, and it's a restock. I have been using this from when I was a teenager. Yes, I'm not gonna open the packaging because it's very special. Yes, so this is the Hypnotic Poison by Dior. I am a huge fan of it. Yes, I love it. I feel like this perfume speaks like it's Deepa. Yes, it is made for Deepa. It is Deepa. Yeah. So I'm gonna put a photo right here of how this look. It has that red, packaging. So let me see if I can open it for you guys. And I don't want to, but I can. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna unbox it in a reel. Yes. So check out the YouTube shorts. Yes. So wow, I just love it. Yes. So yeah. The next item that I have is, oh my god, I love this. Yes. So I wanted to get hands on this. Yes, I don't think there was a discount in this, but I've just got it. Yeah. So I have all of the palettes from Huda Beauty. Wait, let me just show you guys all of the palettes from Huda Beauty. So I have their entire Like I have the Huda Beauty Desert Rose. Like I use this a lot. And I also have the Mercury Retrograde. I also have that. Yes, and I also have, I think those are the two that I have predominantly. And yeah, so I have a couple of other palettes from Huda. So I had to stock up on this. So my favorite, like I think everybody loves it, is the Desert, Rose palette. It works very good for your Indian skin tone. I love the gold packaging. It is the Empowered palette Huda Beauty. I think she nailed her eyeshadows, and it's so easy to carry around. So yeah, so this is how it looks. Oh my god, I just love the packaging. Yes, love it. Yes. So yeah, just look at that. Wow, just wow. Yes. So I love the color story, the color scheme, so beautiful. Yes, and it's so beautiful. Yes, and even the mirror is so beautiful. Yeah, I do not have anything in this, and it has a lot of shimmers. That is why I went for this. So I am a shimmer person because I have very big eyes. So I feel like shimmers highlight. Yeah, so the shimmer one is very nice. Yes, so a must buy. Like I crave for this. Yes, so I'm gonna use it. Like I have travel upcoming, so I'm gonna use it in that. Yes, so very excited. Yes, so love it. Yes, yeah, so it's going straight into my vanity. Yes, so yeah, so I love these IKEA. I think one more Huda Beauty. I have it in my bag. Yeah, it is there. Yes, so I have it in my travel bag. Yes, so yeah, so that is why I have space, otherwise I don't have space. Yes, so I have 4 palettes from Huda Beauty. I have all of the palettes. Yes, I really recommend the Desert Rose the most of all because it works amazing on Indian skin tone. I think you guys can see there in the mirror. Yes, yeah, so yeah, I have the Naughty palette. Yes, so I also love this. It has a lot of browns, and I think for winter I've used this a lot. I've done a lot of eye looks with my Naughty palette as well. So right now I have 4 palettes. Very, very, very excited. Very, very happy. So I am somebody that uses a lot of eyeshadow. So yes. So if you want to go for one palette, like if you do not apply so much makeup and it's occasional, I would really suggest you to go for Desert Rose. Yes. So that's it. Everything that I have in the Nykaa Luxe. Yes, the 2 items. So I think in all of the biggest item was that perfumes are very expensive. So that is the one. So I use it only for special occasions. Yes. So that is the one which I really love. Yes. Obviously, I'm gonna keep this box. Yes, it's very nice. So now comes the the big boxes. Yes. So I have this box, but it seems light to me. So let's see what is in this. Yes. And then there is this another box which is very, very heavy. Yes, I think you can see it in the mirror right there. So yes, so yeah, so let's go for it. Yeah, so all of the tape as well, like the tape on this is also pink, representing the pink Valentine's Day sale. Yes, so yeah, so there are very less items. It seems very lightweight, so let's see what's in this. Yes, I think I should get my the filer to remove this but it's okay. I'm just gonna manage with this. Yes. So I really love the PR unboxing by Lauren. Like I really love to watch. I also love to watch the makeup content by Manny Noah. I also have his palette. Wait, let me show you. Let me see if I can show you guys. Oh my god, it's a challenge. Yeah. So I have the one by Manny as well. Yes, Morphe and Manny Noah collection. Obviously, I love his videos as well. Yes, I also have the Jeffree Star, the Black Sugar palette, the only palette that I own because I went for the reds. I was very addicted to this. I've used it a couple of times. Oh my god, the pigmentation. So after you apply, it stays so much, like it stays for good. Yeah, time it stays so long. Yes, and yeah, you have the color on your skin. Yes, especially as an Indian skin tone. So yes, so let's see what do we have. Yes, I am seeing a lot of this brown packaging. Okay, so there is a box. Okay, so there is a box. Oh, so I have a gift from Dior. Yes, very sweet. So only that was in the box. So I have this, this um, what do you say, a duffel bag. Yes, so I have it from Dior for purchasing that. That is why I really love, to shop these luxe brands, because you obviously get something. And I'm gonna be very careful with this because it's white. Yes, so you have the Dior. Yes, and yeah, there is this plastic wrapping. Let me check. So only that was in the bag. Yes. So let me check what else I have. So yes, let's see. So even the packaging has Dior on it, like the white packaging. So you have a couple of Dior products, like you have the purifying infused eye and makeup lip remover, and you also have mousse on. Like you have the Dior perfume and mousse on. Like, oh my god, the packaging, the white packaging is giving me all feels so beautiful. Yes, love the everything. And it's so sweet of Dior to just gift this, for the perfume. Love it. I think only that was in the, in the entire box. So this is, I received this free. So very excited. So I got some products. Obviously these are travel sizes, so I can, travel with them. I can carry them. Yes. And I'm gonna keep everything back. Yes. Love it. Love the bag. So beautiful. Yes. So that was everything. That was the only item I had in this. So yes, very excited. So I'm just going to take out my address. Yes. Everything I had in my Nykaa Lux. Yes, Nykaa Dior, that was a free item. So I'm going to keep this box as well. Very handy. Yes. So now comes the big jumbo box that has almost 30 items, I think so. So it's very heavy as well. So supremely heavy. So let's get started, shall we? So first thing I'm going to do is tear out my address. Yes, so I do that with all of my packages. Yes. Okay, so the box has almost 30 items. So let's get started one by one. So I'm going to take out this brown cover, give it for recycling. Yes. So when I give it to my watchman, he does that. Yeah. So let's see one by one. So what do we have in this? So I wanted, because summer is coming, I wanted a couple of sheet masks. So very good of Nykaa to reduce on their bubble wrapping and go for brown packaging, environmental friendly packaging. So I'm just checking on what I have here. So I have a sheet mask, and this is my first time trying Tony Moly. So I really love Tony Moly, like all of the products. Like I love Korean skincare, but this is my first time trying a sheet mask. I think I did get it something in PR a couple of years back, but I've forgotten. So I wanted to experiment on this. So this is a Pureness 100 Pearl Mask Sheet Brightening. So it's for brightening, and it is a pearl. It has a pearl finish, which means it gives a glow. So I wanted to go for this. Yes. So I'm just going to keep it in my stash of all the sheet masks, as as I am organizing as well as I'm shooting. Yes. So just kept it in my drawer. Yeah. So I also there are tons of lips, tons of nail paints that I threw away because the expiry date is done. And in my farmhouse, I broke this nail paint. Yes, it dropped and it broke into pieces. Yes, once it touched the floor, and there was red color on all the floor. Yes, luckily nothing fell on the sofa. So I just quickly took my nail polish remover and just removed everything quick. My staple. This is my staple color. You will always see me with this color. Yes, majority of the time. So this is the Lakme Gel Stylist. This is the shade Tomato Tango. I know the shade also. I love this. Yes, so this is the best red nail polish out there, by our own Indian brand Lakme. Yes. And the next one that you have is, so how is, what do you say, red in that? There is also this pink. I love this pink as well. Whenever I apply this, like a lot of people ask me. So this is the shade. This is a shade. What is the shade? I don't know the shade. It's not mentioned anywhere. But yeah, this is the one. Like it's a baby pink. Nowhere it is mentioned. Yeah, I think it's. Oh, I'm just not able to figure out. Yeah, Pink Date. Oh my god, finally. Yeah. So this is 46 Pink Date. So there is another one, Fuchsia Pink. Yeah, which I always like to buy, but I have the similar one in color bar. That is why I skipped on that color. But this is a color, color something that I've been using from ages. Yes. So another one is Yeah, so I went for a couple of colors because all of my nail paints were expired, and I bought some from Shoppers Stop other day. Yes, the one that I'm wearing right now, the purple one, I bought it from Shoppers Stop. Yes, and yeah, I think that video is up on my channel as well. And the typical Lakme blue eyeliner. Who can forget this? Oh my god, I love the Lakme blue eyeliner. It's one of the core items from Lakme, and it's an Indian brand, and I worked with Lakme as well. Yes, and I think when you apply this, like you are one of those lazy days where days when you don't want to do anything, you just go for this blue eyeliner, and it's always out of stock. Trust me. So it's very huge to get hands on this, but one of the core items, like you should definitely go for it. So I'm just keeping it in my stash. Yes, and the nail polishes, I'm gonna keep it in my nail um, nail paint, yeah, where I have. So it's literally like 3/4 empty because I want to buy like an installment. I think nail polish is something you can update every 3 months, like that. So another one that I really wanted to try is this lavender lilac color. So I also love by Daybell. Yes, I love their products, and this is the shade Lilac Bloom. So very nice. And the one that I'm wearing right now is from a brand called Arcelia. Yes, let me show you. Yes. So the one that I'm wearing right now is by Arcelia. This is the shade. Oh my god, very, very, very nice. And everybody have been asking me. I am like on 10 for 10-15 days just on this shade. Like I've been just doing the touches. Yes, it works very. Even a single coat gives a very good finish. So if you want, you can double it up. Yes. So this is available in Shoppers Stop. Yes. So another couple of items that I have is, let me just quickly open this. Yeah. So the next one that I wanted to update is my obviously my stash of foundations. So I just started today my K Beauty new foundation. K Beauty's, by the way, foundations are out of stock. So I am a 110Y, or even a 120Y does it. Like it's a little bit shade darker for me, but 120Y I think it works for me. So I am a 2, like it keeps changing. So I am a little bit on the lighter side right now. Yes. So I went for a 118 foundation just because I feel like I'm going a little bit lighter. Yeah. But in the summer I think you need this. Yeah. So I'm going for this. And Maybelline Fit Me for Indian skin is a bomb foundation. And also speaking about foundation, some of the buys that I done last time, I think I shopped for the their Pink Friday sale. I got the Huda Beauty, and I also got the Dior makeup foundation. Yes, so I'm very excited to use. Yes, so a couple of foundations that I have stocked about. Yes, and the next item that I have is, let me see. Yes, so I think it's another yeah, so it's another Swiss Beauty. This is a what is that called, a blush, which is it's that what do you say, baked blush. Yes, so I wanted something like when I'm in a hurry, I wanted a blush plus highlighter, so I can use this, and I've used this in the past and I've really loved it. And this is the one. It's a baked highlighter plus blush, very handy, very nice. And this is in the shade, I've used this in the past and I've really liked it. I've used even Miss Claire. Yes, I love that as well. So this is in the shade, I'm finding it a challenge to tell you guys the shade names. Yeah, so this is in the shade 06 Lovely Pink. So it's mentioned on this. And you also have the expiry date on this, so I think I can get rid of this. So I'm gonna wait up a little bit. See, when you have a lot of, like, in summer, if your makeup is melting, you can reduce the number of products with this. You can just apply the blue eyeliner, and you can just do your eyebrows, and you can just cut short on the products like this. It's a highlighter plus blush. You can just does its job. So yes, so I'm gonna stash it up in my blush drawer. Yes, I'm just gonna put it. Yes, so I have good couple of options right now. Very, very happy about that. So yes, I was running short of blushes, so I use blushes like crazy. So if I don't have the time to do a full-fledged eyeshadow look, I just take it and I just apply it and quickly do my eyeliner. Yes, so it always comes in handy, a good blush. Yeah, the next item is, I was running short of beauty blenders. So the one that I have right now is also, yeah, it's got squashy. Yeah, I think the problem that I'm doing is when I wet it, I'm just leaving it in my wallet, yeah, in my makeup collection, and I'm never like again checking on it. So I think I'm ruining my beauty blenders like that. But I wanted something. So this is some more options because I just have two right now. So this is by Root Cosmetics. Yeah, so this is the black one. Root Cosmetics is another a very good brand, and it also has that cut edge as well. Like I like to use this under the eye, it works very nice. Yeah, so I got a couple of beauty blenders handy for me. Yes, so this is by Root Cosmetics, and I also have an LA Girl one that I got it other day. I'm yet to start it. Yeah, so once a little bit I'm into the makeup. Yeah, and another one that I got is another microfiber beauty blender. The other one I got is again from Root Cosmetics. It is the microfiber one, and this is in a rosy pink. So for this one you have the cut edge here. So I got this on discount, so I just went for it. Yeah, any day having a good beauty blenders is never out of option. You always need good beauty blenders. So I like to use a beauty blender and a foundation brush. So I use the one by my brushes are mostly from Morphe, so I love the one. Yeah, I also have the one by BH Cosmetics, so that is the one that I use. Yes, I'm gonna show you guys. So yes, so this is the one that I use. I love this foundation brush. It is so good, like it applies so nice, and my blush brush is constant. Like this is the one, like it applies perfectly on my skin. Yes. So these are the constant brushes. So let's see another item. Yes. So I was running short of hair mask. So currently, summer is upcoming. So you need a good hair mask. Because your hair accumulates a lot of sweat. Yes. To beat that, I have this one by L'Oreal. I love L'Oreal hair mask, but they are a little bit expensive, and you never have them on discount. So it was $9.50-ish something. Yeah. So, but it comes for good if you have decent medium length hair. It comes good for 3-4 times. For me, it comes 3 times or something like that. Yeah, but I like to use it once in 2 weeks. Yeah, but in summer I do increase the the repetition. So I'm also using the one by BBlunt right now. So I applied it the other day. Yes. So yeah. So I'm gonna show you the one that I use also by BBlunt. Another hair mask. Yes, so this is the one that I've been using. So this is the Liss Unlimited. Yeah, and this is the one. Yeah, Enforcer. This has biotin, and this is the one that I'm using. So you have to just keep it for 20 minutes or so. So it's very nice. So these are currently the stock. So once I'm done with this, I again update. Yes. Okay, so the next item that we have is, so let's see. So I am whenever I break out, especially now in summer, so I have my Mario Badescu. Yes, I love this, and I also like for a cheaper option you can also go for Pink Foundry. Yes, so this is, whenever I buy in the sale, I always like to check the expiry. Yeah, so it's long way to go. So the expiry is July 2025. Thank God. So I always don't like to shake it. So I'm just gonna keep it like that in my stash. So I always like to keep. So the products that I use a lot, I always keep it in my first drawer. Yes. So the Mario Badescu. Yes. So I love it. Yes. So I'm gonna keep it. Yes. And the next item that we have is, let's see what else we have. So we have 2 items. So there is this brand. I was actually, I love the Nykaa clay mask. I love them. They do their job. They do what they say. I go for everything. Like I use the anti-acne one, the blue one. It works like magic. So if you're somebody that's very accident prone, I would really suggest you to go for the anti-acne one. Yeah, the mask. So this is something that I saw on Nykaa. This is the Wild Organic Fringe Pink Clay, Smooth and Silk. Ideal clay for acne prone skin, refreshed and healthy glow, tightens the pores. So mainly my agenda was tightening of the pores. So I went for this. So I'm gonna try this out and let you know. Yeah. So you need to pour lukewarm water. That is what I've read the instructions, and let it sit for 10-15 minutes. So stay tuned for the video. So this is something that I abruptly found on the homepage. When I was looking for clay mask, I found this. So yeah, it's a powder. Very nice. It won't dry up. Yeah. So another K beauty item is this metal show eyeshadow stick. So you will see a lot of K beauty items in my in my vanity. Yes. So let's see what is this. So this is bare metal. Yeah, bare metal. So this is again those lazy makeup ideas when you don't have time. So Anna, I have another blue one that I like to use like that. I just apply it. Let me just see if I have it or it's in my oh yeah, I have it. Like these are the ones that I have, the matte ones. Yeah, so I also have a couple of them. I also have this by Makeup Revolution. It's like the Huda Beauty one. I also have the Huda Beauty one. Yes, I love these. Yeah, they work like bomb. Yes, so yeah, these are made in Italy. I love these. Yeah, so I also have these palettes. Yeah, which I got it in PR. Yeah, so this is that lazy hack. Like you can just apply it quickly on the go. Yes, so this is the shade Bare Metal. So if you also like this chocolatey kind of shade, you can go for this. Yes, just putting it in my stash. Yes, and let's see what's the other item that I have. So I have the Nykaa scalp massager. I think I got this free. So this is very nice when I am like applying oil. Like I love the Nykaa, I can just go for a deep rooted massage just like when I apply oil. So many of them ask me a lot of hair tips. So I use the Parachute, obviously the coconut hair oil. I also love to use Tulsi oil, which I'm also trying to brand in my own brand. Yes, so I love the the hair massager. Yes, it's a free item. I also love the color. So it's that the pastel blue. Love it. Yes, scalp massager. So I can do it myself. Yes, very handy. So I'm just gonna keep it right here. Yes, and let's see what's the next item that we have. Okay, so the next item that I have is okay. So I also got another. So I try a list of Dove products. Like I love their soaps and all of that, but I have never tried their exfoliating body polish, macadamia and rice milk. So rice, anything that has rice suits me a lot. I also love the Mamaearth rice face wash. I use it every day in the morning. Yeah. So yeah, I'm very excited to try this. Yes. So I have never tried much of much of Dove products. So it's a body polish. So I'm gonna put this in my washroom, and it's a body. Oh my god, it smells bomb. So you have a little bit of coconut smell. Yes, and it has rice milk. Very nice. So I'm excited to try. So I also love the McAfee body scrub. I love that the coffee body scrub. It does magic. It rinses, like it removes a lot of dead skin from your body. It's very 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 nice. I highly suggest you to check out. Yes, and another product I got is so. Oh my god, there are tons of products. So I need to check carefully when I'm throwing these. So I'm gonna give a round of checkup when I'm throwing. Yes. So summer is coming and you need Lotus. I love their mascara. I love their kajal. I love all of the items. So I wanted this so that I can keep these in my travel kit. So this is the Lotus Herbals Detan After Suns Face Scrub, Walnut and Turmeric. I know many people do not like walnut, but I have personally tried walnut and I haven't seen any much issue. Yes, so I think I love this, so I will keep it. I can also use it for hands and legs. I love the walnut scrub which I use. Yes, and as I said, McAfee coffee scrub is also very nice. So this is another item. Yes, so the next one is this ELF. I love a lip gloss. So I love that. You can quickly change your look by just applying a gloss. So I went the one by ELF. Yes, so this is a gold shimmer kind of shade. Yes, and I'm very happy Nykaa bought ELF. I have a lot of products from ELF. Like I have their their foundation. I have like their foundation. I have yeah. So I'm really excited. Yes, so love it. Yeah. So I'm very excited. So yeah. So I'm gonna put it in my stash. Yes. Yeah, love the lip gloss. So yes, So I'm gonna use up all of these items very shortly. Yes. So the next one that I have is a K Beauty Kajal. I love K Beauty Kajal. Yes, and it's very nice. This is my, I think, 10th or something. Yeah, I use a lot of kajal. So if I'm just stepping out also, I cannot go without my eyeliner and kajal. So this is the one. I love it. Yes, it's a must buy. I think you should just go for it. It's supremely pigmented. Love it. I think Katrina nailed her brand. Yes. So yeah. And the next one is, so, oh my god, this is my first time buying Priyanka Chopra's brand. Yes, I wanted to try from a lot of time, but I was out of dry shampoo and I heard a lot of, lot about, this one. Yes, this brand, so Anomaly. Oh my god, I'm excited to try. So stay tuned, I'm going to make a full-fledged video on this. Excited to try. Excited, yes. Yeah. So let's see how it goes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, so very excited to try, and shout out to Priyanka Chopra. Yes, I love her. Yes. So, yeah. The next item is, so we have, yeah, so this is another brand that I really wanted to incorporate in my skincare. So it is the COS RX, and it's really a little bit expensive. Yes, but I think, skincare is expensive skincare. Yeah, skincare is expensive. It's a fact. Yes. So let's see, what is this? So it is an overnight spa mask. It has rice in it. So as I told, rice suits me, aloe vera suits me. Some of the ingredients which suit my skin, even honey suits me, and even potato suits me. Yeah. So all of these, yeah. This is not coming. I'm just gonna open this. Yeah. So yes. So I wanted to really try this brand. This is my first time trying COS RX. Yes, I haven't even worked with them. Yes. So let's see. Yeah. So we have the ultimate rice nourishing overnight spa mask. You can just carry this in your vanity, like in your travel kit, in your skincare stash, and apply it. In summer, good skincare is very needed. So yeah, this is the one. Yes. Let's see what else I have. Okay. So I have that. Okay. So I'm dropping things. Yeah. So I have another one. Is this Pond's. So I love a good skincare in the night, like that's therapy to me. Yeah, but I don't like to apply tons of products. I like to keep it simple, like a serum, and just wash your face serum, and a little bit of lip balm, and a overnight cream. Yes, I love to use the one by L'Oreal, which has glycolic acid, and it also has the one by the one which has niacinamide. Yes, I love the glycolic acid one. It does like magic. It works like magic, but it may not suit everybody. So I would say go like little by little, apply little by little. That's how I started, including chemicals in my products. So this is the one. Oh my god, just look at the packaging, so beautiful. So this is the Pond's Age Miracle Youthful Glow Night Cream Retinol Collagen B3 Complex. So this, I love Pond's products, bang on, they're very good, and I love the packaging. So yeah, so when I'm going, like I'm traveling, I just scoop out a little bit and put in my the travel containers. Yeah, I just go for that. Yes, so love it. Yes, so this is my first time trying this, so I'm gonna tell you guys, but I love Pond's products. I've been using a lot of Olay products as well, love them as well. Yes, so yeah, this is the one that I was telling you guys about. Just go for it, guys. Oh my god, it works like bomb. So Nykaa Clay Cool Anti-Acne Clay Mask. Just go for this if you have acne prone skin. There was a time I was struggling a lot, I think 2 years ago, with a lot of like acne scars and all of that. So I went for this and I loved it. I loved the result. And I think this is my third or fourth. Yeah, I stack up so much on it. It's a yes for me. Yeah, and there are a couple of various variants in it. Yes, for example, you have the Anti-Acne Cool, and this is the Dairy Detox, the black one. Yes, so even this works magic. It detoxes your skin. Again, it feels fresh. Yes, so when you're applying this, be a little bit careful. For example, if you have acne pores and all of that, it can get into that. So ensure when you're removing, you remove thoroughly. Yes, love it. Yeah, and let me check another item. Yeah, I think I have one more in that. I got 3, like the issues that I wanted. And perfect glow. Even this works magic. You will immediately see the result when you see yourself in the mirror. It shows immediately on the skin. Yes. So 3 ones. Yeah. 3 items. Yes. And the next one that I have is Yeah, so this is by Simple. It's their vitamin C clay mask. I had to include a vitamin C. Summer and vitamin C go together. Yes, you need it for sure. It is their Protect and Glow. Yeah, and let me check what is there. Yeah, so you have the vitamin C clay mask. Oh my god, love it. Yes, it's very beautiful. Yes, love it. And the packaging is good. And this is my first time again trying this. I haven't tried it. So I ensured that I got a little bit of variation. Like, I wanted to try different brands. I worked with Simple. Previously, I worked for their, micellar water. Yes. So yeah, very excited to try. Yes. And let me check another one. Yes. Again, a Cosrx. So this is like a combination that, like, I purchased this in combination. Yes. So yeah. So yes, this was in combination. Yes. So this is the Snail 92 all-in-one cream. I know some of you are not in for it, but many people like I feel like it's okay to give it a shot because I feel like my skin takes in a lot of items. Yeah. So this is the one, the Cosrx. It has snail, obviously the snail thing in it. If you're not in for it, just no need to apply. But I feel like it is tested thoroughly, and I'm here to give you guys an update. So yeah, love it. So let's see. I love the packaging. Let's see how it works. So this is my first time trying the snail thing in my ingredients. Like, yeah, but let's see how it reacts. So I'm gonna do a patch test before I apply directly on my face. But yeah, there is a first time to everything. That is how you discover. Yes. So if it's not suiting you, I think give it some more time to let it sink in. Yes. So we have one more item. So we have the Daily Life Forever Mango Shower Gel. Oh my god, love it. So mango, it's a mango season. Yes. So you have to check out my channel. I also do a lot of cooking. Yes. So I shared my mango pickle recipe. Yes. So I love, I wanted to try this. When I saw this, I loved it. I'm a shower gel person over soap, but I love to use, I love to use Godrej soaps. Yes, so love it. Yes, so love the packaging as well. Almost reaching to the end. Let me see. So we have two more items. So what is this? So I'm really impressed by Nykaa for reducing their, all of their items. Yes, all of their bubble wrap on the items. Yes. So we have another one that is the Rude Cosmetics mascara. Yes. I love the packaging. It's very colorful. Yes. So as I said, oh, it's taped. So as I said, I was running short with the, with the mascaras. Yes. So yeah. So this goes in my stash with an attitude. Yes. Yeah. So another one that I have is My Glam. I love My Glam eyeliners. Oh my god, they're so good. I worked with My Glam for good 2 years and love their products. I am a huge fan of My Glam products. Yeah, in fact, I'm wearing today, like I'm wearing the glitter today by My Glam. Yes, I love this. Just go for this. Yeah, it's very budget friendly. It's very, very, very nice. The My Glam eyeliner. You also have different colors in this. Yeah, so there was a PR thing which I did for 2 years, and in that I got all the colors. So I would suggest you guys to go for it. Yes. So another one, like this is a new foundation that I am discovering. Yes. This is my first time. Yes. So you have your, I think is it Daily Life Forever. Yes. So this brand, it was on sale. So I wanted to try it. It's a ultra liquid foundation. Yeah. It's in the shade custard. Yeah. It's my shade range. Yes. I wanted to desperately try this of how it works. Yes. I'm excited to try. Yes. So another stash on. Yes. In my vanity. Just today I started the K-Beauty one, so I can use this. I like to mix foundations, yes, to get my exact shade. For example, I mix my K-Beauty one, I mix my, Maybelline Fit Me. That too is always what I apply because I feel like that two combination gives an amazing shade range for me. So yeah, so this is an add-on, yes, in my foundations. So that's about it, my lovelies. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if you want me to try something, want me to check out, and what are your favorites and all of that. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye guys.